If ICE stops you while driving, what should you do? Hi, I'm Jennifer, immigration lawyer based out of Boston. Let's get into it. If ICE stops you while you're driving, stay calm and follow these steps. Pull over safely. Do not attempt to flee or resist. Provide your driver's license and your vehicle registration. You are legally required to show these documents. You do not have to answer questions about your immigration status. If asked, you can say, I am exercising my right to remain silent. If ICE asks you to exit the car, comply, but remain silent about your status. You do not have to offer any additional information. If you are detained, ask to speak to an immigration attorney immediately. Do not sign anything or agree to anything without legal guidance. Knowing your rights can help you stay safe and protect your case. Save and share this video with someone that may find it helpful and follow for more.